Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix Roblox authentication error. So if you're facing this error, here's how to fix it. First of all, click on your computer search icon and here type control panel and open your control panel. And here click on network and sharing center. And here you have to click on change adapter settings. And now here you will get your connected internet. So right now I'm using this internet connection. So all you have to need, just right click on your internet and click on properties. And here you have to click on internet protocol version 4 properties. And here select use the following DNS server addresses. And in this preferred DNS server, add this DNS server 8.8.8.8, and in this alternative DNS server, add this DNS server 8.8.4.4, and then click on OK, close. And after quickly changing your DNS server, you have to restart your computer. And after that, go ahead and check the error. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.